if you're experiencing lag spikes on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to optimize your gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to help reduce lag and improve performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. If using Wi-Fi, make sure you are close to the router. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting your game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and help improve performance during gameplay. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. Install any available updates to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with games. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Network Settings. Test your network connection and consider enabling the port forwarding option if you are experiencing connectivity issues. This can help reduce lag during online play. Step 5. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. To do this, hold the power button on the console for 10 seconds to turn it off completely. Unplug the power cord for a minute, then plug it back in and restart the console. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Xbox Series X performance and a reduction in lag spikes. Enjoy your gaming.